Today I'm going to show you how to reset a Windows 11 PC to factory settings. This can be useful if your PC is slow, if you're selling it, or if it has a virus or other issues that can't be repaired. To do this, click Start menu, open Settings, go to System, click Recovery, under Recovery Options, click Reset PC. Now choose an option. Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. Remove Everything. This will remove all personal files, apps and settings. Do this if you're selling your PC or giving it away. I will choose Remove Everything. Next, you have the option to choose between Cloud Download. This downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the internet. This is recommended but may take longer. Local Reinstall. This uses files already on the PC. This is normally quicker. I will choose Cloud Download. Click Next. Finally, when you're ready, click Reset and the reset process will start. Please note this can take some time to complete. Also note that your laptop will need to be plugged in during the reset process. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.